Good morning students. Welcome to online class. Today I am going to explain exercise 2.1. What is given? The first one is solve the following simple equations. First one, 6m equals to 12. Solve means here one variable is given. Find the value of that variable value. Here 6m equals to 12 is given. M equals to 6m means 6 into m. 6 into m means here 6 is transferred to this side. It is divisible by 6. So 6 table cancelled. 6 one times, 6 two times. Therefore m equals to 2. 2 by 1 means 2. That is first one. And the second one is, what is the given second one? 14p is equals to minus 12. Same here. 14p. 14p means 14 into p. So p is equals to minus 12 by 14. Here these two numbers are divisible by 2. So 2 6 times, 2 7 times. There is no numbers divisible by these two numbers. So therefore p is equals to minus 6 by 7. Sign also very important. Minus or plus. Okay. What is the third one? Minus 5y is equals to 30. Here minus 5 transferred to that side actually plus 5. But here minus 5 into y. Minus 5 is multiplied with y. So minus 5 is transference this side division into transfer to this side division. Okay. So y is equals to 30 by minus 5. 5 table cancelled. 5 one times, 5 6 times. Therefore y equals to 6 by minus 1. So minus 6. This is the third example. Third sum. And what is fourth one? Minus 2x is equals to minus 12. Here also same. Minus 2 into x. What about minus 2 with x? Multiplication. So that multiplication transfer to that side division. So x equals to minus 12 by minus 2. Minus minus cancelled. 2 one times, 2 6 times. Therefore x equals to 6. Next, what is about fifth one? 34x is equals to minus 51. Here 34 is multiplied with x. So x equals to minus 51 by 34. These two numbers are divisible only 17 table. So 17 3 times, 17 2 times. Therefore x equals to minus 3 by 2. Sixth one. N by 7. N by 7 equals to minus 3. Okay. N by 7 equals to minus 3. Here 7 is division here. Transfer to that side multiplication. So n equals to minus 3 into 7. Therefore n equals to minus 3 7 are 21. And seventh one. What about seventh one? 2x by 3 is equals to 18. 2x by 3 is equals to 18. Okay. 2x equals to, here 3 is divisible, transfer to that side into, so 18 into 3. Okay, and 2 is also here multiplied and transferred to that side division. X equals to 18 into 3 by 2. Okay, 2 1 times, 2 9 times. Therefore x equals to 9 3s are 27. And 8th one, 3x plus 1 equals to 16. 3x plus 1 equals to 16. Okay, here first 3x plus 1 transfer into that side. 3x equals to 16 plus 1 transfer to that side minus 1. 3x equals to 16 minus 1, 15. Here 3 into x, so x equals to 15 into transfer to that side division by 3. 1 times, 5 times. Therefore x equals to 5. 9th one, 3p minus 7 equals to 0. 3p minus 7 equals to 0. Here 3p is equals to minus 7 transfer to that side plus 7. 0 plus 7. 0 plus 7 equals to 7. 0 is added to any number gives the same number. Okay, p equals to 3 into, so transfer that side by 3. Therefore p equals to 7 by 3. 10th one, 13 minus 6n. 13 minus 6n equals to 7. Okay, here 13 minus 6n transfer into that side. 7 plus 6n minus 6n totally transfer into that side plus 6n. Plus 7 transfer into this side. 13, this is plus 7. Plus 7 transfer to this side minus 7 equals to 6n. 13 minus 7, 6. 6 equals to 6n. N, 6 into n. So, 6 is transferred to this side. N equals to 6 by 6. This 6 into n, 6 is transferred to division. So, 6 1 times, 6 times. Therefore, n equals to 1. 11th one, 200y minus 51 equals to 49. 200y is equals to minus 51 transfer to that side plus 51. 200y is equals to 49 plus 51. How much? 100. Y equals to 200 transfer to that side by 100 by 200. 1 0 1 0 cancel. 1 0 1 0 cancel. Therefore y equals to, so many students write 1 by 2 not right. 2 only right. It is not wrong. It is the not correct answer. Numerator is 1 and denominator is 2. So y value equals to 1 by 2. That is 11th one. Okay, 12th one. 11n plus 1. 11n plus 1 equals to 1. 11n is equals to, this is 1 plus 1 transfer to that side minus 1. 1 minus 1 equals to 0. N equals to 0 by 11. 0 by anything is equals to 0. Therefore n equals to 0. 13th one. 7x minus 9 equals to 16. Okay. 7x is equals to 16 minus 1 transfer to that side plus 9. 7x equals to 25. 16 plus 9 equals to 25. X equals to 25 by 7. This is the value of x because these two numbers cannot division by it any number. 14th one. 8x plus 5 by 2 is equals to 13. Okay. Here plus 5 by 2. Actually totally by 2 is there means the 2 is transferred to that side. But here by 2 not there. Okay. 5 by 2. This 5 by 2 is a positive value. This positive value transferred to that side negative. So 8x equals to 13 minus 5 by 2. If there is no number means take 1. What is the LCM of 1 and 2? 2. 1 how many times 2? 2 times. 2 13 are 26 minus 2 1 times 1 5 are 5. Okay. 26 minus 5. 21 by 2. Okay. Now 8x equals to 21 by 2. X equals to 21 by 2. This 8 is multiply here. Here division. 21 by 16. This is the value of x. And what about 14th, 15th one? 4x minus 5 by 3 equals to 9. Here minus 5 by 3 transferred to that side plus 5 by 3. 4x equals to 9 plus 5 by 3 by 1. What is the LCM of 1 and 3? 3. 1 how many times 3? 3 times. 3 9s are 27 plus 3 1 times 1 5s are 5. So 32 by 3. 4x equals to x equals to 32 by 3. Here 4 into here. So transfer to this side division by 4. 4 1 times 4 8 times. Therefore x equals to 8 by 3. And 16th one. What about 16th one? X plus 4 by 3 equals to 3 1 by 2. X plus 4 by 3 equals to, this is the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction converted into improper fraction. So 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. Now plus 4 by 3 transfer to that side. X equals to 7 by 2 minus 4 by 3. What is the LCM of 2 and 3? 6. These two are prime numbers. So 2 into 3, 6. 2 how many times 6? 3 times. 3 7s are 21 minus 3 how many times to 6? 2 times. 2 4s are 8. 21 minus 8. 13 by 6. Therefore x equals to 13 by 6. This is the exercise 1. Okay. Example 3. If L is parallel to M, find the value of x. Here some diagram is given. L, M. and another one is P, line P. This line P is called a transversal. Okay. 3x plus 20 degrees 5x minus 8 degrees. This is given. Find the value of x. Here, solution. Here, L is parallel to M and P is a transversal. If two lines are parallel and one transversal is given, four conditions already I think in the 7th class explained. What about these two lines? What is the relation between these two lines? First of all, these two lines, two angles are one side of the transversal. This transversal, one side. P is a transversal. These two angles are one side of a transversal. First of all, that is first condition. Second condition is these two angles are in between these two angles. Sorry, these two lines. These two angles are in between these two lines, L and M. So, these two angles are interior angles. That is second condition. First condition is same side of a transversal. Second condition is interior angles. So, what is the property of these two means? Sum of interior angles on the same side of a transversal, is always equals to 180 degrees. These two angles and these two angles are this one. These two angles are adding, that gives 180 degrees. And the exterior angle also, this one and this one. These two angles and this one. These two angles also, sum of these two angles are 180 degrees. Sum of interior or exterior angles on the same side of a transversal is 180 degrees. That is the condition. So here 3x plus 20 degrees plus 5x minus 8 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Here variables, what are the variables? 3x and 5x. 3x's plus 5x's. How many x's? 8x. 20 degrees minus 8 degrees. 12 degrees. Is equals to 180 degrees. 8x equals to 180 plus 12 transfer to that side minus 12. So 168. X equals to 168 by 8. So cancelled. 8 table, 8 1 times, 8 2 are 16, 8 1 times 8. Therefore, x equals to 21. That is the value of x. So substitute the x value. 3x plus 20. 3 into 21 plus 20. 3 21 are 63. 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6. Plus 20 is equals to 83. And 5x minus 8. 5 into 31 minus 8. 5 1 are 5, 5 3 is 15. Minus 8. 140. How much? 7. 147. Sorry, 21. 105. 97. So, now adding these two, 97, 83. 7 plus 3, 10. 1. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 8, 180. Is it clear? Sum of interior angles on the same side of a transversal is 180 degrees. This is checking. Okay. Thank you, students. Tomorrow we will discuss about the next sums.